Hello everyone, welcome to the Beginner to Advanced SQL playlist, part 2, where we are going to learn how to install Postgre on Windows. So, in order to do that, you will have to navigate to this website, postgresql.org. The link to this I'll ping into the description section so you can check it out from there. Now, once you are in this website, you just have to click on the download button here. And if you're a Linux user, you may click on Linux. If you're a Mac user, you can click on Mac. And if you're a Windows user like me, you can click on Windows. Once you're here, you'll have to click on download the installer link. Then you will see various types of versions listed here. You have to select the most latest one. If you are a Mac user, you can go with the Mac. If you are a Linux user, you can go with Linux. I'll go with Windows. So once I'll click on download, the download will start. So I'll meet you after the download is complete. So the download is done now. We will click on this setup here and it may take some time. Okay. So the setup is going to start now. We'll click on next. We'll select the destination here. If you want to change the destination, you can change it from here. Or if you are okay with the default destination, you may click next. I'll select all of these. Then I'll select my directory. Then I'll click on next. I'll create a password. I'll type 1234. I'll again type 1234. I'll type next. So this is the default port that you will get 5432. So I'll keep it as it is. Then I'll keep it as it is as well. Next, 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 and your installation will start. So I'll meet you after the installation is done. So the installation is almost about to complete. We'll wait for some time. Okay, it's done now. I'll Stack Builder may be used to download. So no, I don't want to download Stack Builder. Now once you're done with the installation, I would like you to go to all your apps and navigate down below, and there you will find a folder named PostgreSQL 17. And in here, you will find an app pgAdmin 4. I want you to click it, and once you click, your PostgreSQL tool will start. You just have to wait for some time to load. Okay, so now we are here in the dashboard. So all you have to do now is go to servers and enter your password that you entered while installing your setup. I entered 1234. I'll click OK. Okay, I'll go to the databases here. So this is where our databases are stored. So now congratulations, you have successfully installed PostgreSQL on your Windows. So in the next part, we are going to dive into writing queries. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for part 3.